Discount percentages are so common when you go for shopping, buying clothes, buying groceries, paying a bill, wherein you get a discount of some percentage. What is this discount percentage? Hi, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to Eazeemath and let's get started. A discount is the amount by which the original price of an item is reduced. Let's understand with few examples that how do we calculate the discount percentage and how do we calculate the actual amount that the person has to pay after the discount is applied. The formula for finding the discounted amount is discount is equals to discount percentage times the selling price or the mark price. If the mark price of, let's say, the t-shirt was $500, then writing the original amount divided by 100. Let's apply it in few examples. The first example, here the selling price is 800 rupees and discount is 15%. Let's apply these values in the formula. Discount percentage is 15% times the selling price, which is 800, divided by the 100. So zeros and zeros get cancelled. 15 times 8 is 120. If I have to find out the amount at which the t-shirt or any of this item was sold, the amount or the selling price will become 800 minus 120 after the selling price. So it will be 680 rupees. Now, example number 2, the selling price of any item is 200, let's say dollars, and the discount is 25%. So I'll put again in the formula 25 times the amount that was marked divided by 100. Zeros and zeros get cancelled. 25 times 20 is 500 rupees. To find the new selling price of the t-shirt or the item, I will subtract this 500 from the selling price, which is minus 500 will give me $1,500. So the new selling price at which the item was being sold is 1500 after a discount of 25%. These were two examples from my side. Now it's your turn. You can pause the video here and solve these questions. But before you start solving these questions, remember the formula that it is discount percentage times the selling price, the price at the original selling price or the marked price divided by 100. The first question is when the selling price is 600 rupees, discount is 20%, and the selling price here is 9,000 and discount is 10%. Do find both the discount and the new value at which the item was being sold. I hope you were able to solve the questions. Do mention the answers in the comments. If this video helped you in understanding discount percentages and to find the new amount at which the item was being sold, then do like the video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Wish you the best.